Hi there, check out the Knox Gear Piano Bench with storage, designed for comfort and practicality. Its wide, ultrasoft padded top provides excellent comfort for long practice sessions without losing shape. Lift the 19-inch flip top to find a spacious hidden compartment perfect for storing sheet music and accessories. The bench features soft rubber footpads to protect your floor and prevent sliding or rocking. Adjustable leg levelers ensure balanced seating on uneven surfaces with a locking hinge to keep the lid upright. Built with sturdy metal legs, it supports up to 250 pounds safely. This bench suits musicians of all ages and skill levels, ideal for studios, rehearsals, and performances. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.